Damn, baby.
Welcome to our Mystelics vlogs. What up, my people? It's the boy Mystelics, and we're back again for another vibrations on this Mystelics vlogs, guys. The Nature Island, I don't know, tour people are in Portsmouth right now, so I'm heading down there. I was actually supposed to be on it today, but unfortunately I was not able to make it, but they are in purple today right now, so we're gonna check them out to see what's up right there, guys. Welcome to another vibrations, and of course hopefully get some snippets here and there on that for you guys to definitely see on this here channel right there. Big up the indie videos who went out. I think about 200 indie videos showed up. That's quite a number of people who want to see what the Nature Island looks like. Big up on yourself right there. Anyways, guys, keep it locked one time. Let's go. I like that one. No, boy. They call me wow. Nice, baby. Because they want the one, but all I know is that I'm not giving you. Hey, DJ Slim and DJ Spawner, 2 DJs, one time. That is silent party, man. Guys, Nice is also gonna be on the World Creole Music Festival stage, and you're on the tour, so I guess you're gonna be on the stage with us too. Not that one. How was the tour?
Boy, yeah, the tour was deadly. Boy, I got almost, but I didn't know it was.
You didn't know, so you think that is something you should encourage individuals to do?
Yeah. I should only encourage myself to do that a little more.
Yeah, a little more. You from Dominica, you don't even know the place. That's crazy. I feel you on that one.
Never put.
Yeah. Never put you go. That's crazy. But you get to see today. Yeah, that's good. Well, explore some more, man. Explore some more.
I'm to the point.
To the point. Okay. Well, more places to go in Dominica, man. More places.
You know that now?
Yeah, man. Of course. I did this summer tour, you know. So I go around Dominica.
That's what it's about. To introduce people to places that they don't go.
Introduce Dominicans to places they don't know in Dominica.
Everybody. So once you follow in the tour, you will learn places.
Yeah.
I get a little fire there, you know, because I don't know Emerald Pool, bro. You know Emerald Pool, nice. What's wrong with you? I don't see the comments.
Spawner was also on the tour. Yeah, no words. You get it from Spawn already. Yes, sir. Oh, you finish your set, man? You finish your set?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was nice. Selfie tour.
Okay. Easy. Big up. Yeah, man. Giveaways right now. Giveaways, Papa. Giveaways.
So,
a lot of people. We on tour.
Remember, the first tip is for the first prize, which is 2 tickets to 2 nightly tickets to the Creole Music Festival, which means that you can go see Rice Cartel and the entire Booyah fraternity on Saturday night, or whatever night you prefer.
Shake. That don't shake properly.
First prize.
The plastic bag that was shaking, that don't shake properly. You want your name?
Creole Music Festival goes to Lizra Fabian.
Who's that? Come forward.
Lizra Fabian.
Lizra Fabian. Going once?
No, she's been there. She was there. But congratulations to Lizra.
Is she? I don't know.
So the next ticket is 2 rice and wine tickets.
That's how the plastic bag you shaking. You shaking the tape. And a mini draw.
We're not bubbling anybody. We're dancing legit. Alright. So the next winner for 2 rice and wine tickets goes to Shonika Bethel.
Shonika. How they know?
She won the top? Once they won the tour, then they win the prize, alright? Shonika
Yes, I.
Alright, the next prize is Independence GoPro. So that's an handshake as you know.
Look, camera. Look over there. Over there, the photo is.
Breakfast Fed drives on tickets.
His name can pull out.
Now you look at.
Breakfast Fed drives on tickets. Naya Lokat.
She looking
Okay.
already.
Alright, Naya Lokat. Alright. She a VIP, eh?
Okay, so the early bird people, I'm going to be over there with the fans and the phone ring light thing. The cases will be at Fair Fragrance Plus and at Royal Spa. Alright, so we're going to end with a free up now. I think Nice is ready. Let's free up to end it now.
A little giveaways, different events in Dominica.
Engineer, link up one time.
So of course, if you pay your hard money,
Engineer,
you get a little something back. Those who
link up one
win.
time.
Big up, who we begin up? Mystelics.
Let's knock up Spooner.
Oh,
One
okay,
time
name
for
for it.
keeping you updated.
Okay, yeah.
After
And big up the
party,
selfie tour and all the winners. You don't know. We had Purple Circle Beach.
You don't know. Buckle tackle.
Purple Circle.
Buckle tackle. This is the Nature Island Selfie Tour, and as you can clearly see behind me, folks taking selfie at the ending of the tour. Yes.
What? Next, no matter what people do, you know my love is true. I'll buy you diamond and pearl, I'll give you silver and gold, I'll carry you around the world. Nice, nice, and even when things get rough, you know I'll be there enough. I never go soft like love, I'll make sure you reach it up, I'll make sure you never drop. Wow, so sing that song again. I'll carry you near. What? I'll carry you near and far. I'll carry you. Whoa! I sing that song again. I'll carry you near. I'll carry you. What? I'll carry you near and far. I'll carry you. Wow! I know that I can't make it without you. You play with my love, is true. I know I can do better, gonna put myself together, cause I know that I can make it. I just cannot forgive you this time. I love you, but you cross the line, baby. I thought without you I lose my mind. You mad, but I'm gonna be just fine, baby. Just fine, girl. Yeah, I'm gonna be just fine, baby. Just fine, girl. Yeah, I'm gonna be just fine, baby. I know that I can make it without you. You play with my love, is true. I know I can do better when I put myself together, cause I know that I can make it without you. I know that I can make it without you.
Fire, bonfire. How was it, bro?
Excellent.
Yeah?
I enjoyed for sure.
What was your main part of the tour?
Always discovering the places with all new friends as well.
You were Kalinago territory. Where were you?
Well, there's a
You know
going down like a snake area.
Oh, that is Kalinago territory.
Somewhere.
Where there's this snake path.
Right, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
That's my first time going there. Yes.
First time. What? You be Dominica how long?
See, that's why I enjoy it. I love enjoying
I guess that's why the tour is important.
And the new places I
Yeah, that's true. Yes, guys, that was kind of like the ending of this selfie tour. I was actually following the vibrations that was taking place from different individuals. I'll actually show you guys some of the snippets of what I actually gathered as they did some of the tours, guys. One of the things that I noticed, and I'm sure that people can resonate with this, is that it seems like the timing of the tours, I think individuals wanted more time so they can truly enjoy being in the nature. However, I knew that they were at a time frame for actually doing this thing, you know. If you have to leave at 9, reach at 10, then you should reach at 10 and then you have enough time. But it seems like things don't always go to plan. But generally speaking, I know individuals had a good time on the tour. Even though I know some of them wanted to actually bathe, but based on the time frame, a number of them didn't get to do that. But of course, individuals got to know new places. I know I've been there. We used to do summer tour. Family and friends, we used to do summer tour. So I understand the sentiment is something exciting, right? They no doubt about it. Maybe there's a suggestion. Maybe they should do less places so that there's more time for individuals to actually enjoy going to the river, to the waterfalls, wherever they went, right there. But of course, guys, I'm signing out here, and these are some of the snippets that actually took place today on this year Nature Island Selfie Tour 2025.
Man, if you make it work.
Only photographer take a picture for them.
Y'all have to go back in the dirt, so don't waste your time, fight me, yeah.
I feel like we're on track now.
Yeah, we're on track.
Yeah. And the weather actually hold up nicely, look. How much thing about tropical storm and all? Tropical wind and all. The drink that will be good now, boy. But to get stamped, you have to reach the platform. That the platform there.
The platform there.
Things often don't got a plan. Right now I'm forced to be a better man. Used to just be me, yeah, we live life free. Full of girl everywhere me turn. Say goodbye to the old school tea. Welcome the new me. Fully grown right now with a son. Yeah, we call him victory. With a face like me, a lot of hope that his head is fully on. Don't you take my pain and make it your sorrow. Man, I have to face that time for make it easy tomorrow. Easy tomorrow, yeah. Easy tomorrow.
Guys, and of course we sign out here on this Mystelics vlogs. Remember guys, be real, salute the king always. Be positive. Welcome to our Mystelics vlogs.
One day I will blow. Something we gon' show. Wow, this life is a constant uphill battle, but it's also filled with some beautiful moments.